morning.
Good morning.
Today we will learn math, how to easy way addition with stick. Okay? Stick এর সাহায্যে কিভাবে আমরা কাউন্ট করে addition করতে পারি. Okay? Okay, let's start. Alicia, how are you? Okay. Can you tell me what is this? And here has 2 plus 1. How many altogether? Okay, you can take stick. How many will take here? Say, how many? Yes. 2. Okay. And here will be? How many in altogether? Count it.
1, 2, 3.
And you will write here?
3.
Okay, write down.
3.
Thank you. And here will be also
3.
3. Okay, clap everybody. Clap for Alicia.